Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, July 7, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Got a long day ahead.
Same here? I've got a big meeting this afternoon.
Oh, meeting's always a blast. You ready for it?
I think so. Just need to go over some notes.
Good luck with that. Hey, did you catch the news about Canada and the US trade talks?
Yeah, I did. Canada decided to drop a digital tax to restart talks with the US.
That's huge for business. Maybe it'll make my sales job easier with clients up north.
It could help. Less tax might mean smoother deals for companies like ours.
Exactly. More money in the pocket. I hope they sort it out fast.
Me too. Trade between the two is so important for both sides.
For sure. If they mess it up, we all feel it in sales numbers.
True, it affects jobs and prices, not just big companies.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on it. I don't want any surprises with my clients.
Agreed? I'll check for updates later today.
Cool. Hey, speaking of jobs, did you see the latest US jobs report?
Yes, they added 147,000 jobs last month. That's better than people thought.
Wow. 147,000 new workers. That's a big number.
It is. It shows the economy is still growing, even with some challenges.
Good news for me. More jobs mean more people buying stuff, right?
Always thinking about sales. But yes, it's a positive sign for everyone.
Gotta keep those numbers up. More clients, more commissions.
I get it. A strong economy helps all of us in different ways.
Totally. If people have jobs, they spend more and I get busier.
That's the cycle. It's nice to see some good news for a change.
Yeah, we need that. So what else is on your mind today?
Not much, just reading about some tech stuff. There's a new app for work tasks coming out.
Oh, really? What does it do?
It's from a big company. It helps with schedules and tracking projects.
Nice. I could use that. My calendar is all over the place.
Same here. It's supposed to make teamwork a lot easier.
I hope it's not too hard to use. I'm not great with new tech.
I think it's user-friendly. They want everyone to try it.
Good to know. Does it cost anything?
I heard there's a free version. We can check it out together if you want.
Deal? If it saves me time, I'm all for it.
Me too. Managing projects can be a headache without good tools.
Tell me about it. I'm always forgetting deadlines for reports.
This might help with that. Let's give it a shot soon.
For sure. Tech is great when it actually works for us.
True. It can save a lot of stress if it's done right.
Yeah, less stress is always a win. Hey, did you see anything fun in the news?
Yes, there's a massive music event happening soon in a big city abroad.
Oh, cool. Who's going to be there?
Some really big stars. It's like a global concert with a huge lineup.
Man, that sounds amazing. I wish I could go and see it live.
Me too. I love music events like that, so much energy.
Same here. Are they streaming it online or something?
I think so. We might be able to watch parts of it on the internet.
That's better than nothing. I'll take a virtual ticket any day.
Yeah. It's nice to see events bringing people together like this.
For sure. We need more fun stuff to balance out all the work.
Totally. It reminds me of concerts I used to go to years ago.
Oh, you've got stories? What was your favorite concert ever?
Probably one I saw when I was younger. It was a small band, but the vibe was great.
Nice. I remember seeing a big rock show once, loud and crazy.
Sounds fun. Music just sticks with you, doesn't it?
It does. Makes you forget about work for a while.
Exactly. It's a good escape from emails and deadlines.
Don't remind me about emails. I've got a ton waiting for me.
Same here. My inbox is never empty these days.
Tell me about it. Hey, how's your team doing with projects?
Pretty good, just busy. We're trying to finish a big task this week.
Nice. Keep it up. My sales team is pushing hard for new clients too.
That's great to hear. We all need to stay on top of things.
Yeah, no rest for us. But coffee helps, right?
Haha. Always, this machine is my best friend in the morning.
Same. I'd be lost without my daily cup.
Me too. It's the only way to start the day right.
For sure. Hey, I better get back to my desk soon. Got calls to make.
Yeah, I need to prep for that meeting. It's coming up fast.
Don't work too hard. Save some energy for tomorrow.
I'll try. See you at the coffee machine again soon?
Of course, same spot. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. Take it easy.
Will do. Catch you later.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.